Hi everyone, I'm here to talk about the new EIA draft 2020, which still few people are not even aware about what it is and why it is important for all of us to sign a petition against this new EIA draft 2020. And we have only very few days to go. That is, the public feedback window for this new EIA draft is extended only till August 11. So just few more days to go to sign the petition against. So I'm going to take you through in this video why are we opposing this new EIA draft 2020, the new norms, the new rules and regulations which the government has brought in. But before talking about the new EIA draft, what is EIA? So EIA is basically environment impact assessment. That is, it is a way of deciding whether or not to give an approval to a certain project. So it can be a project for an industry or any factory, or it can be a irrigation project, mining project, or anything. So whether to give them approval based on environmental, social and health related concerns by them. Why are we opposing this new EIA draft 2020? So this new EIA draft 2020 comes up with a lot of new exemptions. That is, this new EIA draft eases the processes for businesses, it eases the rules and regulations, and the main thing is it takes away from the public hearing for a lot of projects. That is, the public would not have any rights to question for a lot of projects. And this new EIA has come up with a new norm called post facto clearance 2020. So post facto, by definition, it means allowing someone to take part who has no prior permission to do so. That is, the irrigation project or the mining project or any kind of industrial projects can apply for the environmental clearance once they begin, that is after they begin their construction. I mean, this is the most absurd amendment in the new EIA 2020 according to me. First, you start your project, clear acres and acres of land and bring in about irreversible social, economical, environmental and health risks surrounding that area, and then you apply for environmental clearance. Wow, you're good to go. 2006, industries or projects had to submit their report to the government in every 6 months. But in this new EIA draft 2020, the industries can submit their report only once in a year. So from 6 months, they have come down to 1 year, and 1 year is a lot more to bring in the irreversible environmental consequences. And it is very ridiculous that the government is trusting these companies who has already a track record of violating these environmental regulations. And there's something very funny which I read, that is, if a certain company or a project admit by themselves that they have been violating the environmental regulations or any consequences have been found, they are given a certain fine. But if the government finds it, they have to pay the double fine. I mean, what is even happening? As the environmentalists are saying that the government is really being greedy and it can really be harmful. New norm, that is in 2016, the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change allowed construction projects up to 20,000 square meter to proceed without any environmental clearance. But in this new EIA 2020, up to 150,000 square meter construction projects are allowed without any detailed scrutiny by the expert committee. So from 20,000 they have come down to 150,000 square meter. So guys, please wake up. We have to live in the consequences of this illegal mining and this unethical deforestation. So it's our duty to save our resources, our environment, at least for the future generation to come in. So I request all of you to please share it with your friends and families, or at least make them realize the importance of signing this petition or getting against this new EIA draft 2020. And I request all of you to please sign in the petition before August 11, 2020. Yeah, thank you so much.